Welcome, here I've got Nokia C20 and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here we have to go to the left corner and pick this button to open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on photo category. At the first place here we have the burst shots option with short info from the device that a long press on the shutter button takes a burst of photos. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And for now let me keep it turned on. Let's go back to the camera and let me try to use it by tapping on the shutter button a little bit longer. And as you can see here we have the countdown and we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.